Kani kadeka Pati CCTV.
Khaddo khatwai ka jingye ap khmilanti ki pajba jing ki photli ki snong banyo no ya ka Pynursla civil subdivision kani ka je angno jing ki pajba kala urlong hne ka sngi hadien bo menteri rangba ka jala Dr. Mukul M Sangma ula ple pajba ya kani ka civil subdivision ka bathamai hapo ka East Khasils district ya kani ka civil subdivision la ple pajba do menteri rangba ka jala hakjelang bralong hamadan ile akai ka bran ka snong umkor urkso Pynursla Hakabale dan rengkat ru MLA kini katanya ba preston tensong bolang ru menteri Sorkar bat ki waipat ki balai dan lang ki kentop ki officer Sorkar jong kitan ba per ki board in charge nong jong ki snong na keleng kini katanya ki ban hap apo kini ka civil subdivision balawan sakhi kini ka sneak raw jong kini katanya na ki pat ba ki balawan na keleng ki snong ki ban hap apo kini ka Pynursla civil subdivision ki kentop ya kelat lengkot karat nong kenri nang ta ki snong ki badan nadu jingking tengar ter syadu jingking dauki bat na kapangsat ngi kan top ya kasnong nong scan nong jeri bat umnyo tamar kinong susnong gi banha pa kani ka civil division ka bathamai kin amduna ya ka silak ngon ba ka jing polot jong sarkar na ka banta ban pankha ya ki civil subdivision kan amduna ya ka arpho klor tingka na ka banta ka wai ki civil subdivision kan top na do ka jing polot ha ka bantai ki yeng office bat ban thongi kinong trikam Yai dawat lem thai lem swa Ji hadam long swa man swa Dinya le bilasam Ya la jatan man rasa drong Lendi bila mai pang Rendangi layo la job la kathong Ya pingi ngongis ngau sarong Jogla urlong kati satiba tensong.
The history way back 32 years where the people of Pynursla civil subdivision keep crying, keep dreaming, and today it really happens. Sir, I would like to place of feelings on behalf of the people of Pynursla civil subdivision. You are a true leader. My colleague Baetsia Lungdo has just mentioned, running 8 years you lead the state, and you also increased from 7 to 11 districts. And again, 4 new civil subdivisions, 6 C&D blocks, and you are really great, I should say. You are the only chief minister from day one of our own statehood. You are the only chief minister who don't care anything. We have just heard the history in fighting the Pynursla civil subdivision, chief minister to chief minister. The issue was raised that due to financial constraint, creation of new districts, creation of new civil subdivision, and creation of C&D blocks is not at all possible. Whereas 8 years of tenure in the post of chief ministership, you made it 11 districts, 6 more civil subdivisions, and 45 C&D block. from 39. So on behalf of my people, sir, we pray that God shower His blessings to you, to your families. I'm sure God will lead you because the state of Meghalaya needs you. Kiparlok pa ngakwa banong. Habang layo, iya ka civil subdivision la kajong. Kabadon kam yang ikalong. Bangiday ban ngungu iyaw try kenrat nong bu nong tao. Ubala ay hangi iya ka kabuksiar. Ay baka kaksir nala. Nginem le kum kibe. Bantap ya ka. Habok ka pulo kriya. Ay baka kaksir karupa. Pateng la kapateng. Kan long sisa kaksir nala. Na kabanta katan jongi barokaway.
I'm happy to share before you that the government of the day has been able to generate hopes, new hopes and new aspirations. Therefore, as we inaugurate and dedicate this civil subdivision for all of you, my beloved people, I would like to urge upon my colleagues to collectively be ready to further work to be able to respond to the new hopes and new aspirations that we are generating today. I'm sure you will all are witness to many good things happening around us, left, right, almost everywhere when we travel across the state. Good things are happening. We will always have challenges. We will always have constraints. But what is more important is the intention of being able to fulfill the aspirations and expectations of the people and set a new benchmark to generate more hopes and aspirations. I'm sure today we are able to set that new benchmark. A new benchmark to ensure that everything else falls in line for the growth and prosperity of our people.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV